If you want to boost the bass on Realme 14T, then we have two options to do so. We can try to use the music app, which can be quite convenient, especially if you actually use the music app. In this case, we can tap on this purple icon in order to find the equalizer. First, we need to select it over here, tap on equalizer, we can turn it on, and over here, as you can see, we have the bass booster, which we can use in order to quickly increase or decrease the bass that we have. Besides that, we also have the preset for the equalizer, but the bass booster is over here. However, if the equalizer is not working for you, if the bass is not being boosted, if you don't actually use the music app, then in that case we need to download a third-party app that allows us to change the sound EQ. So we can go to the Play Store, and if you search, you should be able to find multiple different equalizers. Just type equalizer, and then we can install, for example, this one. There are multiple different apps that we can use. I'm just gonna show you an example based on this one. Feel free to try anything else, any other app, if you don't like this one, for example. So over here we need to press I understand, then wait a second. After that we should see the trial offer, which we can use, but in this case, I'm just going to tap on this X over here in the top left corner because I don't want to do anything with the pro version or anything like that. Now over here, press next and then finish. Of course, you will see an ad in the meantime. And once the ad is done, let's close it. We can enable the bass boost over here, agree to notifications, and you can just increase the bass boost over here. So this is how we can use it. In addition to that, of course, we also have the equalizer. But this is also a way to use the bass boost on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.